Can robots save lives? Let's explore the revolutionary impact of AI in healthcare and see how it's transforming medical practices and potentially saving lives. The healthcare industry is on the cusp of a major transformation, powered by artificial intelligence. AI promises to revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about making healthcare more accessible, accurate, and ultimately life-saving. One of the most exciting applications of AI in healthcare is in diagnosis. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, including images, patient records, and genetic information, to identify patterns and anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. This leads to faster, more accurate diagnosis, especially for complex conditions like cancer and rare diseases. Robotic surgery, powered by AI, is another groundbreaking advancement. Surgical robots enhance precision, dexterity, and control, allowing surgeons to perform complex procedures with minimal invasiveness. This leads to faster recovery times, less pain, and fewer complications for patients, ultimately improving surgical outcomes and saving lives. The drug discovery process has historically been long and expensive. AI is dramatically accelerating this by predicting how drug candidates will interact with the body, identifying potential new compounds, and optimizing clinical trials. This means new life-saving treatments can reach patients much faster than ever before. Predictive analytics, driven by AI, can analyze public health data, environmental factors, and even social media trends to forecast disease outbreaks. This allows healthcare systems to proactively allocate resources, implement preventative measures, and respond more effectively to public health crises, potentially preventing widespread illness and saving countless lives. Personalized medicine is the future of healthcare, and AI is its backbone. By analyzing an individual's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history, AI can recommend tailored treatments and preventative strategies. This ensures that each patient receives the most effective and safest care for their unique needs, leading to better outcomes. While the potential of AI in healthcare is immense, it's crucial to address the challenges and ethical considerations. These include data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the need for human oversight. Ensuring responsible and ethical AI development is paramount to harnessing its full life-saving potential. The future of AI in healthcare is bright. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated AI applications that will further enhance diagnoses, treatment, and disease prevention, ultimately contributing to a healthier and longer lifespan for everyone. AI is not replacing doctors, it's empowering them. So can robots save lives? The answer is a resounding yes, when integrated thoughtfully and ethically into the healthcare system. AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement for medical professionals, but a partner that enhances their capabilities, leading to better patient outcomes and a healthier future for all.